What if you gave up your smartphone and used a $30 Nokia in 2026? No Instagram. No TikTok. No endless notifications. Just a tiny phone, a basic screen, and a battery that seems to last forever. So I decided to find out what actually happens when you go back to the phone era we thought was gone. The first thing I noticed was how small it felt. After years of huge smartphones, the Nokia looked almost like a toy. There were no fancy animations, no massive camera system, and no app store filled with distractions. Instead, you get the basics: calls, texts, contacts, and a few simple features. And honestly, it felt strange. I kept reaching for apps that simply weren't there. But then came the biggest surprise: the battery. Instead of charging my phone every night, I barely had to think about charging at all. For someone used to carrying a power bank, that felt almost ridiculous. The phone wasn't constantly running GPS, social media, video streaming, or background apps. It was designed for one simple purpose: to stay connected. But after a while, the limitations became obvious. I couldn't quickly check social media. I couldn't watch YouTube whenever I wanted. Taking photos felt basic, and typing long messages on a physical keypad was painfully slow. At first, I hated it. But something unexpected happened. I started checking my phone less. Without constant notifications, there was nothing constantly demanding my attention. I wasn't opening an app because I was bored. I wasn't scrolling while waiting for something. The phone became a tool instead of entertainment. And that completely changed how I used it. So, would I replace my smartphone with a $30 Nokia permanently? Probably not. But after using one in 2026, I understood something. Sometimes, having fewer features doesn't make a phone worse. It makes you use it less. And maybe, that's exactly what some of us need.